Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basics that actually fix most problems. Raise the call volume and toggle mute while on a call so you can hear changes immediately. Once done, remove the case and unplug any headset or accessory because blocked speakers or active Bluetooth redirect audio. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off and the phone is in sound mode. If nothing changes, restart the device to clear temporary audio service errors and keep testing with a live call. Next, isolate software. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app mutes calls because safe mode disables extras and shows whether a core service works. If the built-in phone app is the issue, clear its cache and data. This refreshes call audio settings without losing contacts. Make sure system and carrier settings are up to date since firmware can contain audio fixes. If audio still routes incorrectly, reset network settings to restore default call audio routing. For final steps, assume hardware may be involved. Carefully inspect and clean the earpiece and microphone openings with a soft brush or short bursts of compressed air because debris often muffles sound. Try speakerphone and an external call to determine if only the earpiece is affected. That tells you whether the speaker or call audio routing is faulty. If cleaning and software resets fail, back up your data. Then use Samsung support or an authorized repair. If still under warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.